Hello, here is the Enbon team. Today in this video we will explain how to install, connect and control screens via computer and mobile phone. First, screen installation. We connect the cabins by attaching them using the safety lock which is available on each side of the cabinet, then fixing them on a horizontal, vertical stands as shown in the video. For this purpose we use R1 series, cabin size 500*500 mm. Fully made of aluminum, suitable for indoor or outdoor usage. Second, the connection between the cabins. After finishing installation we connect the power cables and network cables between each cabin. As same as shown in the video, with paying attention to the order by which screens will be operated later accordingly. Screen connection method with the computer. For this step, we must first download the application, Nova, and install it on the desktop. Then we open the application and login by entering the username and password as shown in the video. After opening the application, we connect between the cabins according to the way in which the cables were connected at the back, whereas the screen dimensions setting is operated according to number of cabins in the vertical and horizontal lines and the pixel size of the cabinets. After finishing the connection between the cabinets on the computer, we press Yes. Third, media player application setting. After completing the screen configuration setting, we download the media player application. Then select standard screen and click on New Show. Then from the section of screen setting, adjust screen specifications, and set the values as follows. Set the quantitation of X to 0 and Y to 0. The quantitation of W and depend on the cabinet pixel, whereas W is 2 times larger than. After finish the application setting, choose the video file you want to play. Then we reset the video dimensions to be compatible with screen settings that we have done. Then finally we play the video.